G'day there, Pastor Daron. In the basic episode, we made a fish.
That's right, a basic fish.
Yeah. I'm wondering if you can make a more complicated one.
A more complicated fish. I'll make you a tropical fish. How about that?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's going to be an orange fish.
From off the Barrier Reef.
It could be.
Mm-hmm.
Could be. I inflate this 260Q.
Yeah.
About halfway up. Tie it off. Now, this fish involves a whole series of pinch twists.
Right.
So you need to have mastered the pinch twist to make this fish effectively. Now start and make a lip.
Yeah, lip.
Just a small 2 centimetre bubble. Pinch it.
So we'll give it some lip.
That's right,
Yeah.
fish lip. Now, we'll make a longer bubble for the side of the fish. So that's about 4 to 5 centimetres long.
Mm-hmm.
And then another smaller pinch twist, the same size as the lips,
Right.
for a fin. So make a bubble, pinch it. So I have a lip, a longer bubble, and a pinch twist for a fin.
Mm-hmm.
Now another longer bubble, the same size as this side bubble. And then I need a tail. I make a series of 3 bubbles and lock them together. 1, 2, 3.
All right, now locking them together.
So there is the front, side, fin, bubble for the back, then 3 bubbles, lock 1 and 3 together for the tail.
Right.
Now the other side, repeat what I did in reverse.
Okay.
So another bubble.
So it is fairly complicated.
It is. Then a pinch twist for the fin
Right.
on the other side. And then another bubble same size as this one for the front. See a longer bubble.
Yep.
And then I need another pinch twisted lip. So I just pinch another bubble. So now I'm going to lock those 2 lips together to join it together.
Mm-hmm.
Simply by twisting it.
Twisting it.
So see there, the 2 fish lips are locked together.
Yeah, fish lips.
Now to finish it off, I simply take the last balloon, what's left of it,
Yep.
1 more bubble
One more bubble.
for the top of the head,
Mm-hmm.
another pinch twist for the top fin. So there's the top fin that I've pinch twisted. And then 1 more bubble
One more.
and lock it off at the tail.
Right.
If you have a remaining balloon, just simply pull it,
Yeah.
the hole in it, deflate it,
Right.
and wrap it around that pinch twist at the back a number of times. And there he is.
Oh, that's a beauty, Pastor Daron.
Yes, but to finish him off,
Yeah.
I'm going to turn it into a clownfish.
Into a clownfish.
That's right.
Oh, that'll be fun.
Put 2 dots on this top fin for the eyes.
Gonna put a red nose on him.
Not a red nose.
Oh, okay.
I get it, Arnie. And simply go around each of the longer section of your balloon and just draw on some stripes.
Mm-hmm.
And around the tail. A clownfish seems to be a child favourite, so I always like to make a clownfish for those that ask for one. And there he is.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Like to take him home?
Yeah, I'll go and put him in the freezer.
Why in the freezer for?
I'll eat him later on.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty good.
No worries.
Thanks,
Arnie.
Pastor Daron.
Thanks, Arnie.